want information to flow across this department. This might be student information, this might be learning. Do you want these research materials to pass across different departments? Or do you want student information like from public safety to the athletics department and all? Or do you want to be siloed across any systems? So now you're probably thinking, okay, let's go get an enterprise architect and this will solve everything, right? Yes and no. No, I don't have an issue with that. But as a technology architecture, I can tell you that there are like plenty of activities in this domain right now, right today, that can deliver you immediate values. That can be return on investment, decreased complexity, or you name it. There's loads of other activities that can help you here. Proven and working, and it's out there. You can go and refer to this. You can go to the reference framework. You can see, okay, how did New York University deploy, say, a computer system which which helps with public safety? How did they do this? What criteria did they use? How did they choose the vendor? Get all this information online somewhere, and you can refer to that. And of course, you can share best practices. Now, let's go up one step ahead. Templates. This reduces errors. I'll give you an example. When we started NYU, I don't think we had configuration templates yet. When we designed this campus network, and this is a huge project, there's 32 buildings, there's like, by the end of it, I think there were like 60, 70,000 lines of code on the network infrastructure, only on the network infrastructure. Without templates, none of that, or there would be errors all over the place because everybody implements something differently. The first thing we did, even before touching any configuration or any technology, was develop the standards, develop the framework, the standards, and then all of this flows. We had like 100, maybe 10, 15 different teams. There was Polycom for video conference, there was Cisco, and different departments within Cisco, like there was quality of service for to make sure your phones work. There was IPT engineers, there was, you name it, there was every sort of engineer. There was routing engineers, there was, I can't remember, there's just too many. But because we had a common architecture framework, they all knew what they had to comply to. They didn't just do their own thing. If you give a vendor something to do, they do according to the vendor best practices, which might not fit your best practices. And then you have suddenly competing and contradictory policies or point solutions, things that don't talk to each other, which breaks the